Assalamu alaikum students, I am your teacher and welcome to our channel Learners Academy. So today we will discuss about present continuous tense. So before discussing, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start. What is present continuous tense? So here I will tell you some examples that I am giving classes right now. My mother is working now. The students are paying attention at this moment. So here are some examples. Now I will tell you how it forms. So I am playing, you are playing, we are playing, they are playing, he is playing, she is playing and it is playing. So there's a structure of a sentence, that how we made a sentence, how we make sentences from all the subjects like I, we, you, have, they, she, it, and as well as there is some name. So it is affirmative. So now there is negative and interrogative. How we made interrogative? Am I playing cricket? Are you playing cricket? We use am with I, are with you, with they, with plurals, and is with he, she, it. So here we use the helping verb in front of the sentence like am. Am I playing? Are you playing? Is he playing? So now here is negative, that we use not because there is negative and we show there's some negativity. Like I am not playing, you aren't playing, we are not playing, and he is not playing and she is not playing. Okay, now here is a picture and we will discuss that what is he doing at this moment. So is he playing football at the moment? No, he is not playing football at the moment. Then what is he doing? No, he is not. He is just running. He is running. So here, what is she doing? She is painting. She is drawing something. She is drawing picture at the moment. What is Tweety doing? It is flying. What is Javid doing? At the moment, he is playing football. Okay. How we make the form of verbs in this tense? So we will make forms. We will make forms of verbs like that. If a verb is ending with ie, then we minus ie from the verb and we add ing in the verb, like die, dying, lie, lying. And when the verb is ending with the e, then we delete e or we minus e from the verb and we add ing in the verb, like delete, deleting, compete, competing. When a verb is consonant, verb and consonant, the third last letter is if the third last letter is consonant and second last is vowel and the last one is the consonant, then we apply this rule. What is this rule? We add the ending alphabet with them and then we will add ing. Here is run, we add n and ing. Stop, p and ing. Now ending syllable like consonant, verb, consonant. So here we add another word, another alphabet like ring. Omit, omitting. Happen, happening. Open and opening. Making ing form of each verb. Begin, beginning. Rub, rubbing. Listen, listening. Lie, lying. Swim, swimming. Study, studying. Happen, happening. Okay. Getting, using, admitting, trying, decide, coming and put. You can exercise by these verbs. Now actions. Actions that are happening at the present time. What is action they are doing? They are dancing right now. There is some action. If temporary situation, what is? They normally play tennis, but this week they are skating. टेम्प्रेरी सिचुएशन ये ना कि वो स्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन नॉर्मली तो वो लोग टेनिस ही खेलते हैं, तो ये क्या कर रहे हैं, एक टेम्प्रेरी सिचुएशन है. ठीक है. सो अब यहाँ पर क्या है, चेंजिंग सिचुएशन चेंज भी तो होती है. येस्टरडे इट वॉज सनी, कल तो भाई बहुत सनी था. नाउ टुडे इट इज़ रेनिंग मोर एंड मोर, कल तो बहुत सनी मौसम था लेकिन नाउ टुडे इट इज़ रनिंग मोर एंड मोर. ये चेंजिंग सिचुएशंस के अंदर भी यूज़ होता है. दे आर सम यूजेज ऑफ present continuous tense. So future arrangements, what is future arrangements? They are celebrating a party next week. पार्टी जो है वो तो फ्यूचर के अंदर हो रही है लेकिन वो एक तैयारी करें. दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग अ पार्टी नेक्स्ट वीक, वो नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए एक पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. टाइम एक्सप्रेशंस. नाउ एट द मूवमेंट, टुडे, नाउ, अ डेज एंड दिस वीक. दे आर थ्रोइंग स्नोबॉल्स नाउ. यहाँ पर टाइम एक्सप्रेशन भी यूज़ होता है. टाइम एक्सप्रेशन के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं. उसके अंदर हम लोग कुछ वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं जैसे कि यहाँ पर लिखे हुए हैं नाउ, एट द मोमेंट, टुडे, नाउ डेज, दिस वीक. सो हेयर वी यूज़ नाउ. So today we have discussed about present continuous tense. If you have any question, then you may ask in the comment section. And again saying, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.